Yo, what is up, guys? And in today's video, we're going to be playing some Mad City. It seems like there was a new update, a cargo plane update, and yeah, it's actually right there. And let's spawn a helicopter, and let's go check it out. Let's see if there's anything. I'll leave that guy alone. I noticed there's not like a little robbery symbol by it, like right there. And I haven't played this game in a while, so I'm not really sure what to do. I'm not sure if I fly up to it like this, if that's how you rob it or not. But this is my first time playing after or after the start of season 3. But what do I do here? I just like fly in here. Oh, what? What the heck? I'm gonna assume that was not what you were supposed to do. Um, okay. I'll be back in 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, here comes the plane again. Um, we're not gonna talk about what happened beforehand because I robbed it before and I had no guns and then somebody came and killed me. But, you know, I have guns this time and I am prepared. I got the death ray. I have a tutorial on it. I made it a while ago. But, you know, we're gonna try it again. See if we can do it. I think we can. I figured out everything you gotta do. It's pretty easy. Just gotta drive in the back. I think it didn't... What the heck? Are you serious? Well, that was not supposed to happen. We're just gonna grab some basic guns, and we're gonna fly back very quickly. Oh my god, why is somebody right here? Are you actually serious? This is why I don't like people. Well, we're gonna see if we can speed past everything and get it before it explodes. We're gonna have to go quickly, and we're gonna need to find an escape quickly. Found a pistol. Okay, that's good. If we escape... Why is everything empty? Come on, we need to do this quickly. Lockpick. Okay, good, good, good. Alright. Dude, that kid that was camping right outside the criminal base. Like, seriously? Like, that was so stupid. Like, if you have to do that, you're actually, like, trash at the game. Oh, no. Alright, it's about halfway over. It takes about 6 minutes to go from one side of the map to the other. Trying not to glitch out again and die. That's one thing about this game that is like a flaw that is really annoying, is because like if you have really good guns, like if you have Death Ray, if you have a hero ability, if you have the jetpack, and you die from something like that is out of your control, that really sucks. Alright, here we go. I believe... Okay. I believe the one of the fuses was already taken. Well, if anybody comes, I have just a pistol. So, that's that. How many fuses did this guy get? Wait, what? I have one. How does that work? Whatever. Okay, but there's 6 fuse locations. One of them is under this chair, one of them is around a chair over there. You seen me grab one of them. Gotta get a crowbar. There's one up there, there's one right here, and there's one over there. But then you can get up to 8K. I have VIP, so I'm not sure if you can get less without VIP. But you can get up to 8K, and you gotta get out before the plane explodes. Because you'll know about before it'll explode. It'll start making like really loud beeping noises. But basically, grab the crowbar from under the steps and just start beating the crap out of these boxes. They do respawn, and there are boxes upstairs. This is a pretty fun robbery. Alright, grab this box. I hope no heroes or police come. But then again, I'm pretty decent with the guns. Oh yeah, look, you guys can see a fuse under there, under that cherry right there. I don't know how they managed to get all of them. Because there's that one they didn't get, and then there's the one that I got. But they somehow got all of them. Yeah, look, there's a fuse there too. How the heck did they get all the fuses? Oh no. You guys hear that beeping? It'll get faster and faster. I really want to get 8K. Come on. Come on, I gotta go. Oh, you guys hear that? Alright, run, 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 run. By the way, this door will not open unless you get all the fuses, so if you come in here, better know where the fuses are. Yeah, look how far we got away. Okay, I'm gonna spawn a Hydro. Hop in, homie. Hop in. There we go. Got the speedboat. Cosmic camo. What's up? This thing's pretty fast. Alright. Let's hope nobody's camping here. Cough cough, that one hero guy that nobody likes. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you only get 300 XP for completing that? What? That's kind of stupid. Alright, let me grab some guns. Is anything? Oh, the nightclub, okay. Oh my god, he's back. Are you serious? You're actually bad. You're actually so trash. Where are you? Oh my god. Dude, this kid is actually cancer. This kid actually has no skill whatsoever. He's actually trash. That kid is actually terrible. But, yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I personally did not enjoy the end. Whenever you have trash kids that are camping, trying to spawn kill you. No skill at all. But, yeah guys. Hope you guys did enjoy that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan groups and fan shirts. They're amazing, and I hope you guys did enjoy it. Check out Modded Doomspire Brick Battle, link in the description below. We got 175,000 plays. That's pretty cool. And yeah, guys, let's see what we get from this box. Got plastic. Alright, peace.